All right, geometry class, a quick review of the work that we did on September 29th, the Identify Like Terms practice. If you weren't there or you didn't get it done and you want to remember how to finish it up so you can turn it in, this is what you do. So you're looking right now at the geometry classwork page, and you're going to look for the September 29th Identify Like Terms practice. You're going to click on it. And then the best way to do it is to go to view assignment. I think for you it might say view details on a student page, so same thing. So I'm going to go there. You guys will see this. You will click on it. The actual assignment is called Combining Like Terms, and you open it up. All right, taking a little second to load. The first one is just a nice little helpful hint. This undo button will put things back if you move it and you don't like where it goes. It's just a faster way to do it. And then the second slide, I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Now, if these don't look in the same order as yours, don't worry about it. I moved stuff around during class and then just try to move it back the best I could. So no matter what it is, I'm going to start with my first one. I'm going to pick the 10C. So if you're doing it along with me, find where 10C is on yours. If it's in the same spot, great. I'm going to pick it, and I'm going to move it to the first one. You can move it to any color you want. So basically you're saying all the like terms with 10C now go in blue, or bright blue, because there's two blues, sorry. So then what you do is you look through all of them and you find another like term that goes with 10C. In class, we talked about how like terms have the same variable, the same letter, and the same exponent. So for example, this one right here that I'm hovering over, this is wrong. This is a C, but it's a C cubed. That has a different exponent. So you could hit the little back button. That one doesn't go there. You want just a plain C. So like right here, this 7C, those two go together. They are like terms. So what about the other boxes, you ask? Well, let's pick one that we know doesn't go with a C. So an A can't go with a C. It gets its own box. And then you're saying all the A's go in this dark red pink box. So then you would start looking for any other like terms. So for example, this negative 3A, because negative positive doesn't matter. It's the letter and the exponent that go together. And then you would keep going. Okay, so you can choose to fill a box first and then move on, or you can just kind of keep going one by one. So we talked about the C cubed. So this 9C cubed would go here because it can't go with the C. And then I put it in this orangey box. So all the other C cubed, or C to the third power, however you prefer to say it, go here. Okay, and then you would keep going until you had all of these little rectangles in a box, and in the box there was only like terms in them. This simplified expression was if you were going to combine them. I told the class that they could skip that part because we had a different assignment for that. So it's fine if you're watching this because you missed class if you do the same thing. So your assignment is to finish moving every single square into a box and making sure that when you move it into a box, it's with like terms using these examples that I gave. So one more thing, this right here is a plain number, no variable, so it would go with all other plain numbers, or if you remember, we called them constants. Okay, so that's just one more example. You would finish this and keep going. If you just turned it in with only the ones that I did, you're not going to pass. I'll give you some credit, but the points are going to go for the kids who do some stuff on their own. If you have any questions, please come see me during Wednesday office hours so that I can help you even more. Hope that helps, and see you soon, guys.